Welcome to the Ellevest Robo-advisor for Investing Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description for those interested in exploring this unique platform. Ellevest is a robo-advisor tailored specifically for women, addressing the financial challenges they often face, such as longer lifespans, career breaks, and gender pay gaps. With its mission to close the gender wealth gap, Ellevest offers a personalized and goal-based investing approach, making it ideal for individuals who value inclusivity and financial empowerment. Ellevest's standout feature is its proprietary algorithm, which takes into account factors like gender, age, income, and career trajectory to provide a tailored investment plan. This ensures your portfolio is aligned with your goals, whether you're saving for retirement, building wealth, or preparing for life events. The platform supports taxable accounts, retirement accounts like IRAs, and even emergency funds, providing a wide range of investment options for diverse financial needs. The platform operates on a subscription model with 3 tiers: Essential, Plus, and Executive, starting at $5 per month. Each plan offers varying levels of service, from basic investment management to access to financial planners and a career coaching network. This flexibility allows users to choose a plan that fits their budget and needs. Ellevest goes beyond investing with features like cash management accounts that include no-fee banking and the ability to earn rewards on spending. Its education platform is another highlight, offering workshops, courses, and content designed to improve financial literacy. Additionally, Ellevest is so socially responsible, focusing on impact investing opportunities that align with women's values, such as supporting women-led companies and sustainable businesses. While Ellevest is primarily geared toward women, men can also benefit from its straightforward approach and goal-oriented features. It's especially beneficial for those new to investing or looking for a platform that prioritizes personalization and impact. In conclusion, Ellevest is more than a robo-advisor. It's a tool for financial growth and empowerment. Check the links in the description to start investing with purpose today.